In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change view in Smartsheet, a skill that can greatly enhance how you interact with and manage your projects. Smartsheet offers a variety of viewing options that allow you to display your data in the format that best suits your needs. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be well equipped to switch seamlessly between these views and make the most out of your Smartsheet experience. Let's dive in, starting with the grid view. This view is the classic spreadsheet format that many of us are already familiar with. It's ideal for tasks that require detailed, cell-by-cell editing and gives you a comprehensive overview of all your data at a glance. It's much like working with traditional spreadsheets, making it easy to navigate and update your information directly. Next, we have the card view, which is particularly useful for visualizing tasks and workflows. To switch to this view, simply click the View drop-down in the toolbar and select Card View. This transforms your rows into Kanban-style cards, which is a fantastic way for those who prefer visual project management. Each card can be clicked to reveal a detailed panel of sheet fields, allowing for easy updates and a more focused view of each item. This can be especially helpful for teams using agile methodologies, as it supports a clear and organized way to track progress. Moving on to the calendar view, you can choose this option to display your entries by date, either in weekly or monthly formats. It's a great way to manage schedules, deadlines, or any time-sensitive activities. With calendar view, planning becomes more intuitive since you can visualize when tasks need to be accomplished. You can even double-click on any calendar entry to edit its details directly without needing to switch views. Lastly, let's explore the Gantt view. If your sheet is configured as a project containing date columns and dependencies, this view will allow you to toggle to a timeline perspective. The Gantt view is particularly powerful for managing projects, as it visually represents tasks over a timeline, enabling you to track progress, adjust timelines, and better understand dependencies between tasks. This is crucial for project managers or teams looking to maintain an efficient and cohesive workflow. Each of these views offers its own unique advantages, and knowing when and how to use them can make a significant difference in your productivity and project management effectiveness. Remember, you can always switch between these views using the view selector in the toolbar, depending on what suits your current task best. By experimenting with these options, you'll find the best ways to organize and streamline your workflows in Smartsheet. Happy managing!